Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at plural nouns, all rules and examples. Let's get started. All plural noun, rules with examples. A plural noun is a grammatical category that talks of number, quantity of a noun. Plural nouns represent a quantity that is greater than that of the noun's natural quantity. Plural nouns are made from singular nouns applying some certain rules to singular nouns. Watch the entire video to learn plural noun definition, plural noun rules, and examples. This video covers what are plural nouns, plural noun examples, examples of plural nouns in sentences, singular noun versus plural noun, regular and irregular plural noun rules, plural nouns exercises. Let's jump into the topic without any further delay. What are plural nouns? Plural nouns are nouns that refer to more than one person, place, thing, idea, etc., such as people, cities, laptops, and freedom. Singular nouns are converted into plural nouns using some standard rules. According to the definition, plural nouns are nouns that refer to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. Nouns that follow certain rules for pluralization, making a plural noun. Nouns that show plurality, more than one. That is, unlike Arabic, English plural nouns are the ones which refer to more than one, which suggest that two persons, places, things, or ideas fall under the category of plural. Think deeply. Plural noun examples: boys, girls, men, women, wives, wolves, children, oxen, armies, mangoes, photos. Examples of plural nouns in sentences. A. There are 5 boys in the room. B. Where are your classmates? C. How many students are there in the school? D. You have 2 mangoes. E. Men will be men. Singular noun versus plural noun. Similarity. Both singular and plural nouns are the types of noun. That is, both singular and plural nouns fall under the grammatical category of noun. Both singular and plural nouns refer to persons, places, things, or ideas. Difference. While a singular noun shows oneness, a plural noun shows moreness. That is, a singular noun and a plural noun refers to more than one person, refers to only one person, place, thing, idea, etc. Place, thing, idea, etc. Plural nouns follow some rules in the process of pluralization when making plural. Singular nouns, on the other hand, do not follow. Regular and irregular plural noun rules. Rule 1. Most of the nouns end in S at the end to become plural. Examples: birds, girls, laptops, phones, groups, bottles, beds, cars, tables. Rule 2. Add an es to the end of nouns that end with s, ss, sh, ch, z, and x. Examples: buses, grasses, branches, quizzes, boxes, crashes. Rule 3. Add ies to the end of nouns ending in y that have consonants before that y. Examples: army becomes armies. Rule 4. Add an s to nouns ending in y that have vowels before that y. Examples: boy becomes boys. Rule 4. Add VES to nouns that end in F and FE. Examples: calf becomes calves. Wife becomes wives. Rule 5. Replace as with I. Examples: syllabus becomes syllabi. Alumnus becomes alumni. Rule 6. Replace is with es. Examples: analysis becomes analysis. Diagnosis becomes diagnosis. Rule 7. Replace on with a. Examples: criterion becomes criteria. Phenomenon becomes phenomena. Rule 8. Replace a of man with a. Examples: policeman becomes policeman. Watchman becomes watchman. Woman becomes women. Plural nouns exercises. Question 1. What is the difference between singular and plural nouns? Explain. Question 2. Give the plural forms of the below given singular nouns. A. Wife. B. Man. C. Child. D. Army. E. Photo. Question 3. Identify the plural nouns used in the plural noun examples. A yoke is usually pulled by 2 oxen. B. The troop contained 200 armies. C. The brethren of the organization finalized the meeting. D. There are different foci in the diagram. E. Arabic and English are the media of communication in this university. Frequently asked questions, plural nouns. What is a plural noun? A plural noun is a noun that refers to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. Plural nouns are formed using some particular rules mentioned in the video above. 10 examples of plural noun. A yoke is usually pulled by 2 oxen. The IND troop contained 200 armies. The brethren of the organization finalized the meeting. There are different foci in the diagram. Arabic and English are the media of communication in this university. There are around 50 students in the class. How many friends do you have? I own 3 laptops. How many dollars do you need for this project? Men will be men. So, this is the end of this video about plural nouns, all rules and examples.